In this tutorial, I'll show you how to get Hulu on your laptop. Let's dive in. To stream Hulu on your laptop, start by opening a web browser like Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, or Microsoft Edge. Go to www.hulu.com and log in with your existing Hulu account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, click Sign Up and follow the prompts to create one and subscribe to a plan. Alternatively, if you're using a Mac, you can download the Hulu app from the Mac App Store. Open the App Store, search for Hulu, and install it. For Windows laptops, Hulu is primarily accessed through the website, but you can use third-party apps like BlueStacks to emulate Android apps if needed. For the best experience, ensure your browser is updated and connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy streaming Hulu on your laptop.